As ever for me, the biggest market catalyst is the business cycle. As the economy starts to grow, but inflation continues to fall and liquidity comes back into the system, that tends to be the driver of crypto. Add on top of that, institutional adoption plus retail adoption driven by things like the ETF, but just the general growth of the underlying cryptocurrency market. I think overall that feature will give us an everything, everywhere, all at once market.
And this compelling interview expert, Raoul Pal, offers a nuanced perspective on the market catalyst driving cryptocurrency adoption and growth. His recognition of the business cycle as a primary influencer underscores the symbiotic relationship between economic trends and crypto market performance. As economies expand and inflation subsides, the influx of liquidity acts as a catalyst for increased crypto investment. Pal's astute observation regarding institutional and retail adoption, fueled by innovations like ETFs, reflects the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency investment. Institutional interest, in particular, has surged in recent years, with major corporations and asset managers allocating significant capital to digital assets. Furthermore, Pal's forecast of an everything, everywhere, all at once market signals a paradigm shift in global finance, wherein cryptocurrencies become ubiquitous across diverse sectors and geographies. This vision aligns with the exponential growth trajectory of the cryptocurrency market, which has witnessed substantial gains in market capitalization and adoption. Pal's analysis underscores the multifaceted nature of cryptocurrency dynamics, emphasizing the interplay between economic fundamentals, institutional adoption, and technological innovation. As the crypto ecosystem continues to evolve, Pal's insights provide valuable context for understanding the forces driving its unprecedented growth and mainstream integration.
How I'm thinking through this cycle is many of the previous cycles saw one or two or three narratives over the course of the bull market. I think the ground has been laid for this one to be the everything, everywhere, all at once cycle. So I think we will see GameFi, DeFi, real-world assets, institutional adoption, ETFs, stablecoins. It's going to be one of those crazy cycles where you can't keep hold of the narrative because it's happening everywhere, all at once.
Raoul Pal continues to articulate a compelling perspective on the evolution of cryptocurrency market cycles. By highlighting the emergence of multiple narratives simultaneously, he underscores the unprecedented complexity and dynamism of the current market landscape. Pal's anticipation of diverse developments, including the gamification of assets, institutional adoption, and the rise of stable coins, reflects the maturation and diversification of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. His characterization of the cycle as everything, everywhere, all at once encapsulates the whirlwind of innovation and activity driving the crypto market, suggesting a paradigm shift in how we perceive and engage with digital assets. For more content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on any of our timely updates on money and investment. Let's continue to listen to Raoul Pal.
Many people come into the crypto market for different reasons, whether it's for a philosophy about money and state, or just for the gains that are available from this new asset class. The point being is it is a new technology. It is still in relatively early stages. It is very volatile. And yes, you can generate a lot of returns in it, but you have to understand how to operate in the space, how to be careful, how not to do the stupid thing. Because once you start getting involved in something like this, FOMO takes over. You think, oh my God, I can become the richest person in the world, I can do this, I can do that. And you start doing irresponsible things. So try and keep your head. And it is a learning process. So the most important thing for anybody to do is learn.
His nuanced perspective on the motivations driving individuals into the cryptocurrency market. He astutely acknowledges that people enter for varied reasons, whether driven by philosophical ideals surrounding money and governance or enticed by the potential financial gains of this emerging asset class. Pal emphasizes the novelty and volatility of cryptocurrency, highlighting the need for caution and understanding when navigating this rapidly evolving space. His caution against succumbing to FOMO, fear of missing out, resonates with the realities of speculative markets, urging viewers to maintain rationality and perspective. Overall, His advice underscores the importance of education and learning in navigating the complexities of cryptocurrency investing, advocating for informed decision-making amidst the excitement and uncertainty of the digital asset landscape.
So I have learnt, having been on the internet too long, not to give predictions. So I'm not going to give predictions, but I give you a range. So in 1 year, we will be probably somewhere close to double the all-time high. That would be normal. In 3 years, we're probably somewhere in a bear market again. So maybe we're back below here, or back here again, or back below the previous all-time high. So maybe we're back at 50,000. And in 5 years, we're probably at new all-time highs again from whatever level. We'll be eventually getting closer to that $1 million level, which was the target I first predicted when I got into Bitcoin in 2012 and compared it to the stock to flow of gold and said it's worth $1 million. I think it's headed that way. Is Bitcoin going to be a $10 trillion market? If you think of it in market cap terms, that's where I think it's headed.
Continuing our discussion, Paul offers a multifaceted view of Bitcoin's trajectory, drawing from historical trends and future possibilities. His prudent stance honed through years of online engagement acknowledges the volatility of cryptocurrency markets. Nonetheless, Paul's optimism about Bitcoin's potential for new peaks within 5 years signals faith in its sustained growth, comparing Bitcoin to gold and foreseeing a $1 million valuation underscores its growing stature as a viable asset. Furthermore, Paul's speculation on Bitcoin's potential $10 trillion market amplifies its disruptive potential in finance. This analysis underscores the delicate balance between speculation and informed foresight, shaping conversations on Bitcoin's evolution.